Hi everyone, I am Ayushi Jain from School of Law, Modi University, working as a legal intern Lexis Q and Company. Today in this video, I am describing about recent judgment by Karnataka High Court on husband extramarital partner cannot be made respondent in Domestic Violence Act proceeding. So let us start with this topic or this judgment by the Karnataka High Court. Only those persons who have been in domestic relationship can be made as respondent, the High Court said. The Karnataka High Court has held that a wife cannot make a woman with whom her husband is having an illegal relationship as a respondent in application made by her under Section 14 of the Domestic Violence Act. A single bench judge of Justice Srinivas Harish Kumar said that Section 2 Clause Q of the Act make it clear that only those persons who have been in domestic relationship can be made as a respondent. In this case, as argued by the petitioner counsel, the allegation against the petitioner is that the first respondent's husband was suspected to have an illegal relationship with the petitioner, and he thought of bringing a petitioner to his house. Except this allegation, there is no other allegation against the petitioner indicate that she too joined with the husband on the first respondent in harassing hearing. Therefore, the petitioner does not come within the scope of the respondent as evidenced under the Section 2 subclause Q of the Act, making her respondent in application filed under Section 12 of the Act is unwarranted. Advocate M.H. Prakash, appearing for the petitioner, submitted that she has been unnecessarily made a party by the first respondent in her application before the magistrate under Section 12 of the Protection of Women from the Domestic Violence Act 2005. Further, it was submitted that the petitioner herein should not have been made a party in application filed under Section 12 of the Act, as she does not fall within the meaning of respondent as mentioned under the Section 2 Clause Q of the Act. So far as petitioner has concerned, it cannot be said that she committed domestic violence to prosecute her to claim any relief from her. In fact, the relief claimed in the application made under the Section 12 are persuade no relief is claimed against the petitioner, and therefore the proceeding against her required to be quashed. The wife opposed the plea, stating that because of the illegal relationship between the petitioner and the respondent, one's husband and the first respondent used to be harassed, domestic violence has been committed on the instigation of the petitioner, and this is a reason for making her party in the application filed under the Section 12 of this Act. The court finding in this case was, the court referred to Section 2 Clause Q of the Act, which read that Section 2 Clause Q, respondent means any adult male who is or has been in domestic relationship with the aggrieved person and against whom the aggrieved person has sought any relief under the Act, provided that an aggrieved wife or a female living in a relationship in a nature of the marriage may also be file a complaint against the relatives of the husband or the male partner. The court stated that the woman with whom the husband was alleged having an affair will not come under the definition of respondent. It then said there cannot be any proceeding against her petitioner under the provision of the Act. Therefore, it is to be stated that the petitioner deserves to be allowed. Accordingly, the petition is allowed the proceeding against the petitioner in criminal miscellaneous 45/2021 on the case file of the JMFC Arakulagudu, are quashed against the petitioner only. Thank you.